Good morning, class. Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. So today we are going to start with the functional group again. Additional topic in functional group that we are going to do is, I think, aldehyde. We haven't done aldehyde, class. Have you done aldehyde? No. So today we are going to do what? Aldehyde. Is the board clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we are going to do aldehyde. How we are going to represent aldehyde? By this single bond CHO. Okay. Single bond CHO. This CHO in the structural formula. This is for what? This is for molecular formula. Okay. This is for molecular formula. For structural formula, you will write down single bond C, double bond O, and single bond H. This is the way you are going to use for writing what? For writing down the structural formula. Okay. Now this single bond, what will be attached to it? Alkyl group will be present here. Okay. Alkyl group will be present. I hope alkyl group is clear to you. What is R? R क्या है? R is CnH2n plus 1 CHO. Now you can see that in this general formula, ये क्या है? This is the general formula. This is general formula for what? For aldehyde. For in this general formula, you can see there is 2 carbon. How many carbons are present? How many carbons are present? 2 carbons. 2 carbons are present here. So when you are going to write down the molecular formula, you have to take care that already 1 carbon is present here. So whatever will be the name, you have to take 1 carbon less than what is required. ठीक है? Whatever is the name, okay, whatever will be the name, whatever will be the number of carbon atom, you will not take that much of carbon atom in N. N में आप उतना कार्बन नहीं लेंगे. आप क्या करेंगे? You will take 1 carbon less than whatever is required for writing down what? For writing down the molecular formula. It will become clear when we will start doing it. Let me admit first. Okay. So now see here. How we write down the name? एक होता है कॉमन नेम और एक होता है उसका आयुपेक नेम. तो कॉमन नेम में हो जाएगा अल्कनल्डिहाइड. ठीक है? क्या हो जाएगा? अल्कनल्डिहाइड हो जाएगा कॉमन नेम. और आयुपेक नेम में क्या हो जाएगा? एल्केन. We write down like this. You are going to replace this E by what? By al of aldehyde. You will write then here what? Alkanal. Al हो जाएगा. क्या हो जाएगा? Al हो जाएगा. Is it clear? Is it clear to one and all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your common name and this is your IUPAC name. Mostly IUPAC name is being asked. Common name is not required. Common name is not required. So don't take much care about this common name. You should remember always what? Always remember the IUPAC name. Okay? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So now.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us start the homologous series of aldehyde. So homologous series, I think everybody is known to you. Everybody? So
yes, ma'am.
Series of what? Aldehyde we are going to write down. So what will be the first member of this series? Can anyone name? Can anyone tell me? Priya Bharti is which?
Ma'am, methanol.
Methanol.
No, ma'am. Methanol.
Ma'am, methanol.
Yes, it will be what? It will be methanol. Methanol. Okay, मीथेन, एल्केन, वो दिख रहा है, एक सेकंड. तो मीथेन, ई हट गया और क्या ऐड हो गया यहाँ पे? एल लग गया. ओके, अल, मीथेनल. सो हाउ मेनी कार्बन इज हियर? हाउ मेनी कार्बन? मेघा?
One.
One carbon is there. One carbon is there. So what general formula is? CnH2n plus 1 and then CHO it is. Okay. Here there is 2 carbon. And what is the required number of carbon? The required number of carbon is 1. So what will be the N? What will be the value of N? N का value आप
Ma'am, 1.
you will take N as 1. आप N को 1 लेंगे तो ये जो नाम है उसमें ये वाला कार्बन भी ऐड होता है. दोनों कार्बन इंक्लूड होकर के ये नाम लिखाता है. And what I have told you that when you are writing down the molecular formula, whatever is the name, you have to take 1 carbon less. Are you getting the point, class? What you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
name is methanol, and methanol means what? Meth means 1 carbon. Meth means 1 carbon. So how many carbon you have to take? N is representing what? Number of carbon. So what will be the number of carbon here? Anyone?
One.
Ma'am, 1.
It will be what? It will be 1. N को यहाँ पे हम क्या लिखेंगे? 1 लिखेंगे. ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर एक कार्बन है ना. 1 carbon is already present here. So you have to take 1 carbon.
0.
You have to take how many? N, what will be the number of N? N will be what? 0. जब यहाँ
Ma'am, 0.
जब यहाँ पर मिथ है तो एक तो ये कार्बन ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर है तो N क्या हो जाएगा? N will be 0. Okay.
0.
We'll take 0 C0 H2 into 0 plus 1 and CHO. Okay. So what you will get here? यहाँ पे मिलेगा आपको क्या? आपको मिलेगा HCHO. Isn't it? C तो 0 हो गया. 2 0 0 plus 1 H. तो H और CHO मिला. This is what we have got as the what? Molecular formula. Okay. Okay to everyone. Let me rub the book. But when you will write down the structural formula, the thing will be different. When you will write down the structural formula, it will be entirely different. And here is the twist. Twist ये है कि जब आप molecular formula लिखते हैं, you take 1 carbon less, whatever is the required number, you take 1 carbon less than the required number. But when you are writing down the structural formula, you have to write down. You have to write down what? You have to write down the number of carbon which is there in the name. अगर मिथ है तो आप कितना कार्बन लिखेंगे? 1 लिख देंगे. Okay? Understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Listen to what is the difference in writing down the molecular formula and when you are writing down the structural formula. In a structural formula, whatever is the required number of carbon atom, you have to write down the same. तो आपने C लिख दिया. एक कार्बन है तो 1 कार्बन आपने लिख दिया. एंड इन दिस कार्बन ओनली यू विल पुट डाउन द फंक्शनल ग्रुप. इसी कार्बन पे आपको क्या करना है? व्हाट यू हैव टू डू?
Ma'am, functional group.
Functional group. So double bond O and single bond H you have put. Okay. So 1
Yes,
2
ma'am.
3 and then 1 and then H आप लिख देंगे. Tetravalency of carbon is satisfied. Tetravalency of carbon is satisfied. 1 2 3 4. And
Yes, ma'am.
This is the functional group. This one is the functional group. So this one is the alkyl group. आप क्या लिखेंगे? H लिखा गया. और C double bond H क्या है? CHO. This is what? This is CHO. So from structural formula, you have got the molecular formula also, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the point clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
और इसका common name जो है, it is slightly different. It is not methanaldehyde, but instead of methanaldehyde, what it will be called? It will be called formaldehyde. Note it down, class. All of you note it down. Everybody, you have noted? Everybody, you have noted? If you have noted, raise your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Raise your hand if you have noted. You should note all the things. And you make the habit of switching on your videos. Keep your videos on. Okay? How will I get to know whether you are listening to me or not? Okay. So, what is the second member of this homologous series?
Ma'am, ethanol.
Ethanol. Very good, ethanol. So, can you write down the molecular formula of ethanol? Everyone? Can you write down? How many
Yes,
of you
ma'am.
can write down? Raise your hand. How many of you can write down the molecular formula of ethanol? Very good, Preeti, Sanjana, Smriti, Priya, Kasik, all. So, who will tell me? Mohit Raj. Yes, Mohit Raj. Mohit Raj, switch on your video. Switch on your video, Mohit. Where are you, Mohit? I'm not able to see you. Is your video on? Mohit?
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the formula, molecular formula of ethanol? Second member is what? Second member is ethanol. So it means how many carbon? Only Mohit will respond me. How many carbon? Mohit? 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 Mohit Raj, you are raising your hand. Khushi, who will answer me?
Ma'am, 2 carbon.
Yes, ma'am. Kasik has written 2. Khushi has written 2. So it's correct. It will be what? 2. But when you will write on the molecular formula, how many carbon you have to take? How many carbon you have to take?
1.
NH2
One.
plus 1 CHO. So 1 carbon already is present here. 1 carbon is already present here. So here in N, how many carbon you will take?
1.
One you will take. So what will write? C1H2 into 1 plus 1 CHO. So what we will get? We'll get CH3CHO. This is the molecular formula. This is the molecular formula for what? For ethanol. But when you will write on the structural formula, what you have to do? For writing down a structural formula, what you will do? Anyone? स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला लिखने के लिए आप कितना कार्बन लेंगे?
Ma'am, 2.
Yes.
Ma'am, 2.
You will take the number of carbon which is given. You will put single bond here, and then always in the last carbon you will put functional group. कहाँ डालेंगे? इधर नहीं डालेंगे. कहाँ डालेंगे? एंड पे, टर्मिनल में.
Last में.
लास्ट में क्या डालेंगे? ऊपर में डबल बॉन्ड O और इधर में H. Now this carbon has become tetravalent. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has become tetravalent. Now this carbon.
Yes, ma'am.
First carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you will put H, H, H. Okay. So now this is your functional group. What is this?
Functional group.
H is what? Functional group. So whatever left over is, this is the leftover. तो ये जो है ये
Yes,
आपका
ma'am.
क्या हो गया? अल्काइल ग्रुप हो गया.
Alkyl group.
CH3. क्या लिखेंगे? ये क्या हो जाएगा? CH3. ये हो गया C और H3, CH3 and then CHO. You have got the molecular formula from the structural formula. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, it is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
No problem?
No, ma'am.
So similarly, and what is the name? This is the IUPAC name. Ethanol is the IUPAC name. But for common name, it is not ethanaldehyde. Instead of ethanaldehyde, it is what? It is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. All of you note it down. Everyone, you have noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And it is clear to one and all? Any question?
No, ma'am.
No confusion?
No, ma'am.
So what is
Ma'am?
the... Huh? Yes?
Ma'am, why is the name acetaldehyde?
What?
Ma'am, why is the name acetaldehyde?
See, for the name, you cannot say. There is no any fixed rule in common name. Common name के लिए कोई fixed rule नहीं है कि इसको acetal ही dehyde क्यों कहा जाता है. ठीक है? ओके? ये पहले भी मैं
Okay, ma'am.
बता चुकी हूँ कि नेम के लिए जब कॉमन नेम की बात आएगी तो कोई फिक्स्ड नहीं है, कुछ भी किसी को लोग बुला सकता है. ठीक है? Now next, what is the third member?
Ma'am, propanol.
Propanol. Very good. Fourth member is propanol. Okay. So propane means how many carbon?
3.
Propane,
Ma'am, 3.
Ma'am, 3.
propane means 3 carbon. So when you will write
Yes,
down the
ma'am.
molecular formula, how many carbon you will take? N में आप कितना कार्बन लेंगे?
Ma'am,
2.
2.
2 लेंगे.
And
Okay.
2.
तो ये है CnH2n plus 1 CHO. Okay. So here propane means 3 carbon, but 1 carbon is already present here. So in N now you will take how many carbon? 2 carbon only, because 1 is present here. 1 is present in the functional group. So 1 carbon less you will take, the whatever is the name. यहाँ पे आपने दिया क्या? सब लोग बनाओ तो. All of you do it and tell me what is the formula, molecular formula. Everybody try it.
Ma'am, C2H5CHO.
Ma'am, C2H5CHO.
क्या आ जाएगा ये? C2H5CHO. Okay, you'll get C2H5CHO. This is what? This is your molecular formula. Now for writing down the structural formula, क्या करेंगे आप?
3 कार्बन लेंगे.
Ma'am, 3 carbon.
Okay, you will take 3 carbon, and then after writing 3 carbon, what you will do? I have written 3 carbon. Okay, whoever I will ask, Khushbu, you have got a very bad habit of not unmuting yourself or switching on your videos when I ask. Khushbu, who want to switch on the video? Who want to switch on the video? Quickly raise your hand. Srishti? Nobody is responding. From next time, if you will not respond me, I will remove you from the class. There should be interaction between both of the teacher and student. So what you will do? Anybody, whoever is willing to answer, please.
Ma'am, we will put single bond.
Ma'am, put
Okay.
the functional.
Bond on
Put
C.
functional group where? Where
Put
put
the
functional
functional
group?
Ma'am, at
Carbon.
last.
And at the
Okay,
last
the last.
item.
What you will put as a
Carbon.
functional group? क्या करेंगे functional group में?
Ma'am, double bond O
Dou-
and
इधर
single
डालेंगे
bond
double
H.
bond O. Double bond O इधर
No,
डालें.
Ma'am,
No,
ऊपर.
ma'am.
Double
Ma'am,
bond O
ऊपर में.
and then
ऊपर side.
single bond H.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then this has become tetravalent. Next step, what we have to do?
Ma'am, सारे कार्बन को टेट्रावैलेंट
Very
करेंगे.
good, very good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now put H everywhere. Put H. Now this is your functional group. This is your functional group. So this one will be what? This one will be the alkyl group. तो आप टोटल नंबर ऑफ कार्बन काउंट करोगे, क्या है? C2 है, H कितना है?
5.
है, और ये क्या है? CHO है. तो आपको मिल गया ये फॉर्मूला. स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला से क्या मिल गया?
Molecular formula.
Molecular formula.
So in case, suppose in case you forget the general formula, in case if you forget the general formula, no need to worry. आपको ज्यादा सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप सीधे क्या देखोगे? प्रोपेन. तो प्रोपेन का मतलब क्या है? 3 कार्बन, पुट 3 कार्बन. नाउ व्हाट इज रिटन? अल. अल मींस व्हाट? CHO. तो आप इस पे लास्ट वाले पे डबल बॉन्ड O और सिंगल बॉन्ड H डाल दो, एंड देन पुट H to make carbon tetravalent, and the last carbon will be what? It will be your functional group, and the rest whatever will be left will be what? That will be alkyl group, and you can make out molecular formula from the structural formula. Isn't it easy?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see what we have got. What we have got. Similarly, you can make for butanol. इसका जो नेक्स्ट मेंबर होगा वो क्या होगा होमोलोगस सीरीज का?
Ma'am,
Butanol.
butanol.
Okay.
Ma'am, butanol.
And next member after butanol?
Pentanol.
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 Pentanol. So you have got a homologous series where the first member is what? First is SCHO, then you have CH3CHO, then you have C2H5CHO, then you have C3H7CHO. Now this is what? Suppose if such type of question comes, you have got this. Suppose I remove this one. Okay, this one is blank. Okay, this one is what? This is blank. Now first question will be, my first question is that this series is representing which homologous series? Which homologous series is represented here?
Ma'am, aldehyde.
Aldehyde. How you are giving the answer? It is aldehyde. How you are telling me that this is a homologous series
And
of
functional
aldehyde?
group is
Ma'am, functional group is
Very
CHO.
good, very good, because functional group is same. And what does functional group do for a compound, for a molecule? What does functional group decides for a molecule?
Chemical property.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
chemical
and it
property.
decides
property.
chemical property.
Chemical, that means in this homologous series, chemical property will be same or different?
Same.
Ma'am, same.
Why it will be same?
Because
Because
functional
the
group is
functional
same.
group is same.
Because the functional group is what? Same. So chemical property is same. Now since this is a homologous series and this is the blank space, so what will be here? And what will be here? My question is this. What will be here and what will be here?
Ma'am, C2H5CHO
Ma'am,
in second one.
In
C2H5CHO.
the
Fourth one,
second one, it will be C2H5CHO. And in this
Yes,
one,
ma'am. Ma'am, it will be
C5H9CHO.
C5.
Ma'am, C4H9.
Ma'am,
C4, ma'am, C4.
Ma'am, C4.
C4H.
C4H9CHO.
Very good.
Nine.
C4H9CHO. So this
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
got the homologous series. This we have got the homologous series where the adjacent member is differing by what? Is differing by CH2. ये किससे differ कर रहे हैं? एक दूसरे से adjacent member कैसे differ कर रहे हैं? They are differing by
CH2.
CH2.
CH2 से.
So this is the homologous series of what? This is the homologous series of aldehyde where the alkyl group is changing. Alkyl group is what? It is changing. Since the alkyl group is changing, so what is going to happen?
Physical property
Ma'am,
will be
physical
different.
property will
And
different.
physical properties will be different.
Physical property will be different. Why it will be different?
Because molecular mass
Because
is different.
Yes, because molecular mass is changing. And why is the molecular mass changing? Who is responsible? Who is responsible?
Alkyl group.
Ma'am,
Yes,
alkyl group.
alkyl group is responsible for the change in the physical property, because physical property mainly depend upon what? Mass. It depends upon mass. So I hope the point is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Acha,
Yes,
how you
ma'am.
have sent your answer sheets? How you have sent
Ma'am,
your
snap
answer?
over.
Ma'am,
Snap
snapper.
over.
No, but some of you have sent me through WhatsApp. Kasik?
मैम वो
अब-
आप असाइनमेंट लोड नहीं की थी इसलिए सेंड नहीं कर पाए थे, मतलब फिजिक्स और बायो का भेज दिए थे लेकिन आपको व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दिए।
अच्छा, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. So any question you want to ask here?
नो मैम।
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
किसी को कुछ नहीं पूछना है? आगे बढ़े for next topic. And before
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
starting the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
topic, your homework, your assignment, I'm giving you. I will send it in your snap homework also. You have to complete the homologous series of aldehyde. Okay, up to pentane. Okay, class.
Okay, ma'am.
यस मैम।
Now next functional group is similar to that of aldehyde, that is carboxylic acid. Okay. कार्बोक्स बोर्ड बिल्कुल क्लियर है ना? कुछ दिक्कत तो नहीं है?
No, ma'am.
Is
No,
the
ma'am.
board clear and voice clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You are getting my video also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So carboxylic acid, how it will be written? It will be for molecular formula COOH. Okay. COOH. This is for what? This is for molecular formula. And C double bond O and single bond OH. ठीक है, उसमें क्या था? एल्डिहाइड में क्या था? C double bond O and H. This was for aldehyde, and for acid what we have? C double bond O and single bond OH. This you will use for what? For structural formula. And ये जो single bond है, how the tetravalency of carbon will be satisfied? By adding what? By adding functional group. Okay, by adding, sorry, to this functional group, what will be added? Alkyl group will be added. C double bond O and single bond OH. This is for a structural formula, and for molecular formula RC double OH. Keep on noting down the things. Everybody is noting down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
So, IUPAC name. Here we will not take care of the common name because it is more or less same. So, IUPAC name जो है, ये कैसे चलेगा? Alkane का E replace हो जाएगा by oic. यहाँ पे इक है ना, इक. कार्बोक्सिलिक का इक जो है यहाँ पे ओइक एसिड. ठीक है, alkane oic acid. This is your IUPAC name, and mostly the question is asked from IUPAC name only. Okay, class? So, this is it. So, when we talk about the homologous series of acid, carboxylic acid. So, what will be the first member? First member.
Methanoic acid.
Huh?
Ma'am, methanoic acid.
Very good, very good. It is methanoic acid. Okay. So methane, and the same rule we will follow here also, because यहाँ पर भी functional group में क्या present है? क्या present है?
Carbon.
Carbon is present here also. So can anyone
Yes,
tell me
ma'am.
all of you try that what will be the molecular formula of methanoic acid. All of you, I'm giving you 2 seconds. Give me the answer. 2 seconds बहुत ज्यादा कम हो गया. चलो थोड़ा टाइम और ले लो और जल्दी से बताओ मुझे. Write down your answer in the chat box. Okay, I have got. Khushbu is telling my voice is not clear. Is it true? Class?
No, ma'am.
Clear है मैम.
Clear
मैम
है?
क्लियर है.
Then Khushbu, the problem is with your mobile or net. Okay, I'm getting the answer. Omi, Sanjana, Srishti, all of you are writing down the correct answer. I want more answer. I'm getting the answer in the chat box. Srishti has given, Omi, Khushi. What about others? Priti, Kasik. No, Kasik. How you are writing? Okay, you are writing in that way. But don't write that way. Okay, don't write the molecular formula in that way, Kasik. That is not the requirement
Okay,
here. Who has written that? किसका नाम है वो? Kriti correct, Sriram Singh correct. Correct. Now who will write on the structural formula? Can you write on the structural formula in your chat box? Use your chat box for writing down the structural formula. Can you write down? Can you write down? If not, then I will tell you here. See how we are going to write the structural formula. Molecular formula. तो आपने सही लिखा है. नाम क्या था? फर्स्ट मेंबर का नाम है. फर्स्ट मेंबर इज व्हाट? मिथेनोइक एसिड. ओके, मिथेनोइक एसिड. तो मीथेन मीन्स व्हाट? 1 कार्बन. अगर हम मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला लिख रहे हैं, देन फॉर मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला n वी हैव टू टेक व्हाट? 0. n क्या लेना होगा? n को 0 लेना पड़ेगा. तो CnH2n + 1 COOH. एक C ऑलरेडी यहाँ प्रेजेंट है, तो n क्या हो जाएगा? 0. 2 into 0 + 1 COOH. We'll get HCOOH. This is the molecular formula. But for writing down the structural formula, आप क्या करेंगे? जो नाम है उतना ही कार्बन लेना है. Whatever is the name, you have to take that much of carbon. So 1 carbon. In this very carbon, you will put down the functional group, double bond O and single bond OH. तो 1, 2, 3 और ये क्या हो गया? ये हो गया 4. और ये बन गया आपका, क्या बना? ये बना आपका स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला, जिसमें से ये जो है this part is representing what? This part is representing your functional group COOH. And this part is the alkyl group. तो आपको क्या मिला? H मिला, ये H और ये बन गया COOH. Okay? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Class?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the second member? Second member का नाम, और इसका नाम क्या हो जाएगा? इसका जो कॉमन नेम है, its
Ethanoic
common name
acid.
will be, it was formaldehyde. For aldehyde, so for acid it will be what? Formic
Formic acid.
formic acid.
Formic acid.
Formic acid. Okay. And second member क्या हो जाएगा इसका?
Ethanoic acid.
Ethanoic.
Second member will be ethanoic acid. जिसका कॉमन नेम हो जाएगा, उसमें था एसिटल्डिहाइड, इसमें हो जाएगा एसिटिक एसिड. Now what is the number of carbon here?
Ma'am, 2.
Number of carbon is 2. Okay, it is 2. So for structural formula, what you will do?
Ma'am, we take 1 carbon.
For structural formula, you will take 1 carbon.
No, ma'am,
Ma'am,
for
two
molecular formula.
Molecular formula, you will take 1 carbon, and for structural formula, you will take 2 carbon. Whatever
2
is
carbon.
carbon, that much carbon only you will take for structure. So for molecular formula, C1 हो जाएगा H2 into 1 plus 1 COOH. Okay, so it will be what? It will be CH3 COOH plus.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये बना आपका क्या? ये बना आपका molecular formula. But for structural formula, what you will do? You will take the same number of carbon. Same number of carbon. क्या है ये?
No,
दो
ma'am.
carbon है तो दो carbon ले लिया. And then you will put double bond O, single bond OH.